Hi, this quick tutorial will show how to get started with Scribeomatic Cloud Transcription for Final Cut Pro 10. First things first, go to Scribeomatic.com in your web browser and click the button for Scribeomatic Sign Up. Fill out the form and hit subscribe. Within 10 minutes or so, you should receive an email with a download link for the application and a code for 100 points to get you started. After the download is complete, double-click on the Scribeomatic disk image, which will extract the Scribeomatic application. Drag the app itself to the applications folder to finish the installation. After starting Scribeomatic, click the points display in the upper right, or choose Enter Points Coupon from the Scribeomatic top menu. Enter the coupon code that you received in email and hit the Activate Points Coupon button, and you're done. The next video will show an overview on how to get started. Thank you.